What's up, loves? Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited about doing today's video because we are doing another Halloween makeup look. So for today's look, if you want to find out how to do a deer or a doe and just making it very simple and super easy, then stay tuned and keep watching. But if this is your first time on my channel, hi, my name is Anam and I post videos up every single week about my life, about tutorials, about reviews, hauls, everything in between. So if you like any of that stuff or want to get to know me better, then hit the subscribe button down below and join me. So like I mentioned in the beginning of this video, I am doing a deer doe look. I feel like this is one of the Halloween like makeup looks that you can do that is so simple, so easy, and if you're like trying to figure out what to be, or it's like last minute you gotta like create something, this is probably your go-to. Now, I've never done a deer doe look before, but it looks super simple, so you are all going to go on this journey with me on how to recreate it. So let's get straight to it. As you can tell, I already have a full face of makeup on. I had a photo shoot earlier today, so I was like, let's just get this all done. But the main point of where you're going to want to focus on is how I create that deer look. So I will tell you what I used on my face, and then I will of course mention everything that I use in this video and on my face down in the description box for you. So I started off with some concealer. I put it right under my eyes, and I put that on with a mini beauty blender sponge, and I just like put it in the corner of my eye, patted it down just under my eye for concealer. And then next I put on my foundation. This is my foundation. I will post, of course, all the colors that I have. I put it all around my face, and I used a bigger beauty blender sponge to just blend that in effortlessly. And then next, I bronzed my face, of course, with my favorite bronzer contour by Ilia. And I just put it all over my face. I contoured my cheeks, my chin a little bit. And then I put some blush on as well, just on the apples of my cheeks and above my upper lip, because for me that kind of like cancels out the darkness that I have going on. For my brows, I used the brow gel to fill them in a little bit so they look more fuller, and I literally just used all of these brushes, as you all know, to blend in my contour, to blend in my setting powder, and I also did use a eyeshadow brush to just contour a little bit of the crease in my eye. But yes, those are all there for that, and I will have more instructions in the description box for you. So let's get straight into the deer doe tutorial. Oh, and then I also used my Stila liquid matte lipstick over my lips. But let's get straight into the deer doe tutorial. So I am going to be referencing a picture that I found on Pinterest that I thought, this is so beautiful, and I was like, I have to replicate this. So this is what the picture looks like. It is so pretty, and I was like, oh dang it, I don't have like a floral like piece that I could wear. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to actually braid my hair and put it up, and I will show you how to do that as well. So Okay, I am back. So this is like the completed like deer look. I think it turned out pretty cool. It's still so weird to see. But next I am going to do my hair, and I will fast forward through that. And what I'm basically going to do is I'm going to split my hair in half all the way down from the top to the bottom. I'm going to braid both sides just from here down, and then I'm going to pin them straight up so it kind of looks like a milkmaid braid. So it kind of looks like I have like that flower crown in the picture, but it's just, you know, my braid. So let's get straight to this. Alright, I am back and here is the finished look. I think it turned out so cute with like the milk braids as like your crown instead of flowers, but you can totally like put like figs or like, you know, little mini like tree branches and like flowers in it to make it look more like nature-esque. But I'm really proud. I think it turned out quite well, but this was so easy to do, just browns and like a white, and I did line beforehand my eyes with a liner, and then I also do have some fake lashes on. But if you liked this doe deer makeup Halloween tutorial, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I will make sure and mention every single product that I used down in the description box for you. But I hope you loved it. I'm wearing like this, you know, my brown Abercrombie little poncho because I thought it was fitting. I thought it looked so good. But I hope all of you loves are having an amazing week. I'm looking forward to next week and I cannot wait to see you. Mwah. Bye.